The history of English started when Germanic tribes called the Anglo Saxon and Jutes came to England in the 5th century. They brought their own ways of speaking, and this mixed together to form Old English. This language was very different from today's English. It had many endings from noun and verbs, like Latin or German. Only a few Old English words are still used now. So, for example, house, food, water, and friend. A famous text from this time is the poem Beowulf, which shows us the life and culture of that societies. Old English was mostly spoken by normal people, while Latin was used in the church and school. Sorry. Middle language 1115 to 1500. It started after the Norman conquest in 1066, when William the Conqueror and the Normans took England. The Normans spoke French, and this mixed with English. For about 300 years, French was used in the royal court, in government, and by rich people. Latin was still used in religion and education. English borrowed many new words from French and Latin, especially in law, politics, art, and fashion. During this time, English grammar became easier, and many word endings disappeared. One important writer of Middle language was Geoffrey Chaucer, who wrote the Canterbury Tale. His story showed the beauty and variety of English in that time. Modern language 1500 to today began around the year 1500. Many big events changed the language. For example, first, William Custom made the printing press in 1576, which helps to make English spelling and grammar more regular. Second, the Renaissance brought new ideas, new books, and many words from Latin and Greek. Third, William Shakespeare added many new words and expressions, and gave English more creativity and color. In this time, English starts to look more like the English that we speak now. Later, when Britain made colonies in many places in the United States, grew strong. English spread all over the world, and what can I say? Today, English is used in many countries as global language. It keeps changing with technology, globalization, and culture. English is very important for us. Maybe around the world, I can say that in this time In all time, in all the world, someone could speak in English.